serikali ye county bono nero twage tu accident yo moerio accident ya makweri abakori emeremo baumiete kurwakiete paka boire bakobuto baseri guchinga batari ko gunane cent bagoseri guchinga batari ko nyara ko gunone panado abantu bakure chi contractor ase county ya singinje magendero bakoretenga kieri yaerete bachi gwakanu bono accident ya korekanire bona iga nyagitari yaito KTRH nero the biggest hospital we have in South Nyanza and across the 4 counties chire chito itanaine let us say in Migori, Homa Bay, the part of Naroko, Nyamira and Kericho. Abantu bako barifad to KTRH ya bwate chi machine chi arenga kore mirimo bona gechirere chons. When you go to KTRH igo ko gendoro ogwe koba uchikukwa tari ngo ko endoro cho ogo endoro bwe koba kanebe sokwe tari ngo ko gendoro kanebe sogenda. I am talking this because na rigereria abantu buna bago kunana chi na kore research na isaransiro no manire na kore esegio ya bantu konyora bago ikoro bati kubarigerere kuba kweta senjo yaki ya governance hembe amaraika tarachenga kisi Nyamira mwadebire ngantore petatan whatever moro chekere kisiga igagia koretu nabagaka bari kurumaiga lakini asobora ibwabona iga mbura akora magenderande chingoro igo chire bosongo left right chitarengo engore yemo nyanju daraja yagure ko connect nyanju state itaraje yo teyo no mugaba nago etoso stadium mo office yae indika aganyite abantu bakwe amanya koreka bise daraje yo is that not emergency oko genda aga igansa igeri mwe para ya roseti gwetu abekire twe no mugaba no rengo ro through World Bank egotambo ko jinyanjo yabutoke irabo eri mu mate engorero ro chigari cha kwereiro indika engore bare ye korosiwa nyanjo it is an estate ebwena te kobageted so that improve lives chabantu chitaya nchiyo ubiko sangerere guteyo chingoro jiroro left right nchiyo amache tayo. What is this are we talking about? Let me give an example. Chisegi na chichabaire kisi monogoitani end time. Chisegi chindangania mo David yakaminyoki wakalimero sana. Isegi yakabera ba minister barengo bakaminyoki wakalimero sana. Kisi tebwati ba minister baisaine bona igase government yeyo. Tebwati chisi chisaine ase government yeyo. Togokora furi muna ekerora akorekero bwate birengerere byons ne obisiere press. Ekeran koligere office ya kisi county yo mugavana izugere chinga kisaransiro ororo au you can count nirenga inuna baralia ngarenga mwarangire go office yeri 1 mukarangire gare ambassador ya renga goja ya China mukarangire gwakera ya nene ambassador ya goja ya Virginia. Have you ever seen any meeting go koreka na office yo mugavana? No. Why? Ikego korukoru as a private home and that's not something you're agenda rojo complain that you can dongira segete, which means ikeko delivery korwa asomuchi womonto. We are very much sorry for what is happening. I was been telling people inga it is not the time to when atagokira abantu banyoreme ebiranya ekera bagotema korusia magoso nga magoso narega iga umurayu mujano yogotebiwa problem nerega iga orangiria abantu stakeholders basanga anybody oko question leadership ye governor so ko question leadership ye county oyigare at the age yoko genda mojeri. Let me say this kisi county iko in the world yabantu omongina kwete monyorete nyamache omongina gakunya mache asingi jage negligence ya chigari chitarengo ama nabanyagitari batarengo bari kumurifa omongino lya konywe ikarenta issues ikajika tubererwa aipaka rero iko mugakori gasiti mongino aya no mwana abana baye bachange bakarero mwaro chinya cheki omongino gosira asingi njo ngi ambulance ne yemo yoka ekokori gasibona iga chi ambulance chinde chonsi yagoretwe ne serikali yarengo nchiyo teyo yagorirwe magenderero kiayo tugukwanira igoro ya Kisii County chitaya chiarengo chiare komoreka town ya yarenge 24/7 economy iga ya chitakabeka machikonga abantu mbabasa kwigora cheo theri chebirabu rero abantu bago endaga ari bebisite ngambara basa kwa kwebeja batumwe latest dekekaro kyonda geteko ikwana na ino mga korero chunguzi. I am very much willing to write a statement about this. Chipaseri chiabo gore tigumo isonde to katebe kucharon chiwe everywhere. Chipaseri chiria ejiga cha miseti asenginjo webu akorekanete bwe chicheki chirumna betwe aba juniors abake nabo barenge go supply ere gatine dia bantegeti ga kubagera chibesa ngabachire waka chingo bibagenda nka. Some of the checks siripotea today. Some of the people bachite bakamiss those checks nje agende chikagenda sub county level or the ward level. Aba banene batanyo arete kuiba bachakire kuchirangeria chira ne paki ko chobi siga bana barapo bamanye kuimoka bachienane tisho ilitore wajana jana juzi inga abakori mirimo ba education basa ko nyimiti andons bago kwana nonde bwens oseko asiti nonde bwens chi ebo bisi obora baze kosoka. That's an information I have. Let them remember that I was been working in Kisii County government as a senior officer. Sure. I resigned from that docket because of poor leadership na aroche ya Rengoro in Chebuna Lucas mapema. I was been working with these people. Look the town how it looks like. Eka rokorigere sendi chudi sikurugari go chaga igase National Bank ngoro eranda about ya capital. Para te yogari ku access yetirimboke pari bama ate na ndeti ira senginja bangi nampara bakoraki bakwara. Yenda magikaga igase street ya maiga abangi nampara bakwara. Where are the markets abangi nabanete koiru baroki kuba beke bitanda byabo. Ekera bajire be established babeke rumorero basamberwa bangina ngwara bago samberwa market then baga celebrate tokagane chi permanent bago bagagira bakabarendera bona mabati mo pono chi santi katikati ye town ikorukwe city ere uti wa mugongo. We had 52 branches chibengi chi branch 52 in Kisii rero go tubate 18 branches honori abando banganyire made omabei bare migori bare because na chigenda to develop bon. Any factory chia chagete kurumaga igachiri toke aikwanya kori crips yeri toke aikwanya kori crips yo mongo aikwanya kori afakade chuisi yae. Why are we singing amagendero naro? Let us not sing igoro ya quotas twari kwa gaje na World Bank ya rorekanire rogorogari amo ne serikali enene ya toete dockets egerde wadrani we amo na what do we call cancer center. So mo batse batorokia image ye obisi ekogenderera abantu bande bagenderete kumia sa.
Yes.
Egerongo kwana with a lot of authority as in amacha kurukigati areko ba upgrade igate ni mpaka today. Chi obisi chikwa gachu ingichiko konyo mwana inchi bono mwana inchi orenze ingichiko makonya. How many people bagenderete go savari tukupada yerinde? How many people bagendrete ko kwasinga nje kuburia mari abo kuburo mariogo? How many abaitirwe amona abayibi asinga nje chitaje chitaiyo? How many accidents chia korekanira asichipara asinga nje portal chire chinyinge? Ekero mo governor agote bingo korari gas baka maraika ile yate. For God's sake. Ebira gitabya chicha bire mwata ni 40. Where are they? Ngaibigo koremere mo ngabate last time ngana ndinga badimo chimombori. Ingebira kitabiriga bire a private developer, and that's the reason why bitabu at number plates check county. All the drivers bago ndibira kitabiri they are not workers we county. So in Kisii accident into anyorete kitu cha south to anyorete accident yendembe amone word to kanyora accident yendembe, and this is what I used to say every morning that there is nothing going on tikanya saa to konyo bugambi wo change mapi.